Dr. Mohit Bhandari. I'm a bariatric and metabolic surgeon who deals with weight loss surgeries. I'm also an endoscopist who treats patients with non-surgical weight loss. Today we are going to discuss about a very interesting modality for inducing weight loss in young unmarried females who are looking in for matrimonials and going in for marriage 6 months or 1 year later. At most times, most young females would realize that they have put on weight and they need to lose 10 to 15 kilos just before their marriage and would like to look good, fit, healthy and energetic on the day or their best day. That day is very important for them because it stems from the fact that it's a life-changing day. And whenever we are in life-changing situations, we would want to be most confident, most good-looking, and at an area where nobody can challenge us. If somebody is overweight, losing those 10 to 15 kilos and being the fittest and most energetic on their day they're going to get married can change a whole lot of them. I'm talking about a very important modality which can help you get to your dreams, and that's called as the swallow pill. A swallow pill is a very scientific CE marked approved device in medical industry. It's a vegan capsule which a male or a female can swallow, and once it is inside the stomach, we can fill this particular capsule by 550 ml of proprietary fluid to convert this soft capsule in the form of an intragastric balloon. This balloon is going to be there inside you for around 6 months, the range between 4 to 6 months, whereupon it will release the fluid through an exit valve and will pass through your motion. So nothing remains inside the stomach which can be detected on an ultrasound scan or an X-ray, which means it's a temporary procedure, but very good for those males and females who would want to lose 10 to 15 or even 20 kilos just before the day of their marriage. Now, why I feel that this is hassle-less or the best modality for those who are seeing marriage after 6 months or 1 year. I believe that when you have such an important event in your life, one should not land up with complications. One should not go with procedures that are complicated, have even slightest risk of injury, complication. As we say in our medical science, first do no harm. And this gastric swallow pill is best suited under those circumstances. So if you are going to get married after 6 months to 1 year, what you need to do? You need to contact one of our staffs, and we have our centers all across the country. They will call you after an appointment, and it's a 8 minutes, if you hear me correctly, 8 minutes of outpatient procedure where you need to come in a non-hospital environment. Swallow this capsule in front of us in a non-hospital environment. We do the filling immediately once you swallow this, convert this into an intragastric balloon and detach this catheter and send you home. This remains inside you for a period of 4 to 6 months, and it comes out in your motion after 4 to 6 months after getting deflated, but it awards you with 10 to 15, in some cases 20 to 25 kilos of weight loss. Completely hassle-free, 8 minutes procedure in a non-hospital environment, very confidential, very discreet, because there is no trace of this balloon after 6 months, either by an ultrasound scan or by an X-ray, because it's a completely temporary procedure and the balloon comes out through your motion. I think that's the best suited for all our brothers and sisters, our friends, relatives, colleagues who are looking forward to have their marriage 6 months or 1 year later. What you expect as a side effect of this balloon once it is put in is a question most of them ask. For 48 hours after this balloon is inside, you may feel a little bit of nausea, abdominal cramps, but we give medications which can settle it and you might not feel anything. It's a very soft balloon. Very soft, very comfortable, very friendly to the inside environment of your body. Does not cause much discomfort, and with the medications we give you for the first 48 hours to 1 week, life is simple. We also give you this weighing scale, which is Bluetooth Wi-Fi enabled, on which you have to stand every day, which calculates and monitors your weight loss progress. So when we give you something which actually documents our own performance, it means we are honest. And that's what this weighing machine stands for, which documents the performance of this device every day for you. At the same time, we give you a health tracker, which calculates the number of steps you walk, your calorie consumption, your basal metabolic rate, and several others. And it comes to us through an app, all this weight recordings and this on our server, so we can guide you and effectively correct you through your weight loss journey. At the end, I would say that this swallow pill is one of the safest things for those who are looking to matrimonials going ahead for marriage after 6 months, because it is hassle-free, confidential, discreet, no endoscopy, no anesthesia, no surgery, 8 minutes of an outpatient hospital-free procedure, and you're back at your home. I think we cannot give anything more to anybody. And all it means is just weight loss and safety and honesty and integrity. So I welcome you all. If you want to kickstart your weight loss journey, you want to look more fit, more energetic, more in shape on the best day of your life, do contact us and we can help you with this medical weight loss device. Thank you very much.